Meet the POCO X7 Pro presented by Xiaomi. The perfect synthesis of power, speed, and innovation. The X7 Pro takes technology to the next level, impressing those who value high performance and aesthetic perfection in every detail. Before moving on to the detailed information, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support makes a big difference for us. Let's get started. The POCO X7 Pro greets its users with a modern and elegant design. The thickness of the device is 8.29 mm, making it extremely thin and lightweight. The rear panel is made of high-quality materials and enriched with a glossy texture, offering a perfect experience both visually and to the touch. The camera design of the smartphone also attracts special attention. The rear cameras are arranged horizontally, giving it a futuristic look. The device is available in 3 different colors: black, yellow, and green, so everyone can choose according to their style. The device's display is truly spectacular. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display offers perfect colors, deep contrast, and high brightness. This screen is equipped with a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing an incredibly smooth and fluid experience for games, videos, and everyday use. Even more impressive, the screen has a brightness of 3200 nits. This ensures a clear and crisp image, whether in daylight or darkness. The screen is also more durable against impacts thanks to its protection by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. The X7 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor. Thanks to the 4nm manufacturing technology, it ensures both high performance and energy efficiency. With its powerful chipset, the device works quickly and stably during gaming and multitasking. Moreover, AI optimization technology further enhances performance, providing a more efficient user experience. The device's memory options are also very powerful. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, making it perfect for high-performance apps, games, and multitasking. The POCO X7 Pro's rear camera is a strong option for photography enthusiasts. The 50MP main camera, equipped with the Sony IMX882 sensor, captures clearer and higher quality images. Moreover, with the support of OIS technology, the images are more stable and free from shakiness. The second camera is an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, ideal for capturing wide landscapes and group shots. With this device, you can shoot high-quality 4K videos. The AI Image Expansion and AI Erase Pro features not only allow you to easily remove unwanted objects from your photos, but also significantly enhance the quality of your images, making every detail clearer and more vivid. The front camera is also powerful. This 20MP camera, with dual focal lengths, offers perfect depth and natural effects in portraits. The device's 6,000 mAh battery is an excellent choice for long-term use. With this large battery, you can use the device for several days without running out of energy. The 90-watt hypercharge fast charging technology allows you to fully charge the device in 42 minutes. The device is equipped with an optimized energy management system that preserves 90% of the battery even after 1,000 charge cycles. This ensures the battery's longevity, providing stable and reliable performance for years. The POCO X7 Pro is IP68 certified, meaning the device has high resistance to both water and dust. The device is equipped with the Xiaomi HyperOS 2 operating system, further optimizing the device's performance. This operating system offers users a faster and smoother experience. The X7 Pro is equipped with a 3D ice loop cooling system to maintain its strong performance. This system ensures the device's performance remains at a high level during long gaming sessions and heavy loads. The new AI algorithm, equipped with dual speakers, offers a richer and more immersive 3D surround stereo sound experience. The POCO X7 Pro Iron Man Edition, a limited edition model specially designed for Marvel fans. This smartphone is designed in Iron Man's iconic red and gold colors, with the Iron Man mask symbol on the rear panel. Along with the technical features of the X7 Pro, this exclusive design makes it an attractive choice for both performance and style enthusiasts. POCO X7 Pro offers power and performance at an affordable price of $279. But for those seeking a more unique experience, the Iron Man Edition, priced at $369, presents a design and features that will captivate. Both models provide a perfect balance of performance and aesthetics, strengthening their position in the world of technology. What do you think about the POCO X7 Pro? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest technology innovations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.